If you own an RV, camper, trailer, or truck, a reliable backup camera is not a luxury anymore. It's a safety essential. Whether you're reversing into a tight campsite or changing lanes on the highway, a good RV backup camera can save you from costly accidents. So today, I've rounded up the top 5 best RV backup cameras of 2026, focusing on video quality, wireless stability, installation ease, and real-world performance. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AUTO-VOX Wireless Backup Camera Solar Magnetic 7.2-inch DVR Monitor. The AUTO-VOX Solar Magnetic Backup Camera is designed for RVs, trailers, and trucks that need quick installation without wiring. It features a 7.2-inch HD monitor, 1080p recording, and a solar-powered magnetic camera. This camera really stands out for its 1-minute installation. The magnetic mount makes it perfect for renters or users who don't want permanent installation. The dual antenna system delivers a stable wireless signal even on long RVs, and the DVR function lets you record your trips for safety or evidence. Night performance is impressive thanks to infrared night vision, and the IP69K waterproof rating means it's built for harsh weather. Pros: solar-powered, no wiring required. Strong magnetic mount. 1080p HD recording with DVR. Stable signal with dual antenna. Excellent night vision. Extremely weather-resistant. Cons: monitor is slightly larger for compact dashboards. Magnetic mount may need extra security for off-road driving. If you want fast setup, strong wireless performance, and premium durability, this AUTO-VOX model is one of the best choices in 2026. Number 2. eRapta Dual Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Cameras 7-inch Touchscreen. The eRapta dual camera system includes 2 solar-powered cameras, a 7-inch touchscreen monitor, and built-in DVR recording. It's designed for trailers, RVs, tractors, and trucks. What makes this system special is the dual camera setup, which improves blind spot awareness. The touchscreen monitor is responsive and easy to use, and the wireless signal remains stable even at highway speeds. IR night vision works well in complete darkness, and the solar charging keeps maintenance low. This system is ideal for users who want extra visibility without complex wiring. Pros: dual camera system included. Solar-powered and magnetic mount. Touchscreen monitor. DVR recording support. Good night vision. Easy installation. Cons: touchscreen can reflect glare in strong sunlight. Battery performance depends on sun exposure. This is a great option if you want better blind spot coverage and a modern touchscreen experience. Number 3. AUTO-VOX Wireless RV Backup Camera Triple Split Monitor. This AUTO-VOX system offers rear and side view camera support with a 7.2-inch 1080p triple split screen monitor. It supports USB and car charger power options and DVR recording. The triple split display is the biggest highlight here. You can view rear and side cameras simultaneously, making lane changes and reversing much safer. Video quality is sharp, and the signal stays stable even on longer trailers. It's a solid choice for full-time RV travelers who want a more professional monitoring setup. Pros: triple split screen support. Full HD 1080p video. Strong wireless signal. DVR recording. Flexible power options. Cons: installation takes longer than magnetic systems. Cameras sold separately in some packages. If you want multi-camera visibility and advanced monitoring, this AUTO-VOX system is a powerful option. Number 4. Furrion Vision S Wireless RV Backup Camera System 5-inch Monitor. The Furrion Vision S is a premium RV backup camera system featuring a 5-inch monitor, shark fin rear camera, infrared night vision, motion detection, and audio support. This system is designed specifically for RVs and integrates well with factory pre-wired Furrion mounts. The image quality is sharp, and the wide-angle lens gives excellent rear coverage. Motion detection and microphone support add extra safety, especially when parked. It's more compact but extremely reliable. Pros: RV-specific design. High-quality wide-angle view. Motion detection. Built-in microphone. Reliable wireless performance. Cons: smaller screen size. This is a premium, brand-trusted solution for RV owners who want factory-level reliability. Number 5. Dual RV Backup Camera Wireless 7-inch Recording Monitor, 4 channels. This system includes dual solar cameras, a 7-inch recording monitor, and support for up to 4 camera channels, making it ideal for large RVs or fifth wheels. The long battery life and strong magnetic mount make it easy to install and use. Video quality is clear, and the multi-channel support allows future camera expansion. It's a great balance between price and performance for larger vehicles. Pros: dual cameras included, solar-powered with long battery life, supports up to 4 cameras, strong magnetic mounting, DVR recording. Cons: menu system is basic, slight signal delay on very long trailers. A solid choice if you want expandability and value for money. That's it for our list of the top 5 best RV backup cameras of 2026. I hope this video helped you find the right camera for your RV, trailer, or camper. All the product links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.